How to get $130 Walmart promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in Walmart promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Walmart. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Wired. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. Just scroll down and check. 20% coupon code, 25% coupon code, $20 coupon code, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you're interested in and want to use it. Just go ahead and click on copy code. So here's the code, you can copy it, head towards the website of Walmart, log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you will get the discount. In the case you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option, visit Walmart. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Walmart. Now you can log into your account, make your order. While you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, also try out these offers. Also go to these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Walmart. Well, this is how you can get up to $130 Walmart promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.